Yeah, hi, what we're going to test out today is weed killer from, natural stuff in the kitchen. Well, natural, I suppose wash up liquid is natural, but anyways. So the recipe is 1 gallon of vinegar, 1 cup of table salt, and 1 tablespoon of wash up liquid. Now I'm going to quarter that. So let's get into actually mixing with the salt. The wash up liquid is just to make the poison stick on the leaves, and the vinegar and salt, I suppose, is the poison more or less, but I've never tried this, so we'll try this out. Quart. So I'm going to mix 1 quart, that's for mixing it in, this is the measurements. I'm going to mix 1 quart of vinegar. I'll try to turn that way so you can see it. Yeah, I hope I have enough of the vinegar. I think you're supposed to use distilled vinegar, but I just got vinegar. I hope that works. There's 1 quart, and we're going to pour it in this jug here. 1 cup of table salt, so I'm going to do a half cup, a quarter cup, which is down here somewhere. We'll pull that to the side a sec. And we'll get this open a large one. And I'm not too sure what a quarter is, but we'll go pretty big on this. A little more. They say you can overdo the salt, so I'll do a little bit extra. I'm nearly at a half now, so. Right, and we're going to pour the salt in. Nope, I spilled a little bit of salt. I'm going to just get the salt out of that. Right, and now, it says tablespoon for the whole gallon. Hang on, I got a tablespoon here. We'll do a half. There we go. And mix it. And all you do now is pour it on the garden, or spray it in a spray bottle. Most I put it in a spray bottle and we'll spray it in the garden. I'm just going to pour this in this spray bottle. Supposed to leave it sit for quite a while. I haven't left it sit very long. Let's just hope the salt is melted in there. Okay, let's go out and spray it in the garden. Some weeds. So here's the sample weed I'm going to spray. It's in the shade. Don't do it in the sun, it'll just evaporate most of it. So we'll see what happens to this now. I'll give it a good belting. I have a couple more here I'll spray. There we go. Here's the one I sprayed 12 hours later. And I just resprayed it again. And it's pretty dead. Some other stuff that I sprayed. It's quite dead. As you can see, it is working. After a couple of days.